everyone, I'm Tara. This is my 2011 BMW M3 hardtop convertible. Today I'm installing a carbon fiber diffuser from Mashimarho. I'm so excited. It's been a while since I've modded my car. This is really going to improve the look of the rear and it's going to match the spoiler. So let's get started.
First, make sure your car is clean. I used rubbing alcohol to wipe the parts of the car and the diffuser where they will be touching.
So this is the 3M tape I bought to install it. Make sure you get the auto version and it's the super strength.
I put lots of double-sided tape on the diffuser on all the areas where it'll be touching the car. Make sure you push the tape on really hard.
Okay, so I finished taping everything. And the next step is to remove the factory bolts. On the outside, there's two 8mm bolts, and in the middle are two T20 bolts.
Peel off the red backing on the inner tape strips and half of the outer ones.
Okay, I've got my little pigtails ready. The double-sided tape is exposed. I'm ready to line it up and push it on.
It's lightly stuck on now, so just put the 4 factory bolts back on.
Okay, so all the bolts are tightened. Now I can take off the last pigtail. Okay, I'm all done. I'm so happy with it. The install was pretty straightforward and I really love the way it looks. Thanks for watching.